Yep, it's in there.
Check this out. These are all organized by different ailments. It's like you're going to your own home apothecary store and picking one right up off the shelf. Here we go. It's going to give you a list of all the ingredients with instructions on how to make it and dosage. Here's another remedy for tinnitus. Here's one for vertigo. And here's herbal support for the auditory and visual systems.
This book was created by Dr. Nicole Pelian, who was an herbalist. She was diagnosed with MS in 2000, which led to her applying her own research and skills towards her own personal wellness. This is her new book, The Forgotten Home Apothecary. I think everybody should have a copy of this book. I'm going to leave an orange shopping cart down below so you can grab one for yourself.